All right, so what if we have to simplify a radical that is made up of, say, more than one thing? Do we simplify first, or do we try to reduce the fraction? What do we do with something like this? Well, with something like this, what you would try and do is you would go ahead and you would see if you can divide. 3 does not go into 49, so we're kind of stuck on this one. So now we're going to use a property that is the opposite of what we had before, or not the opposite, it's the same idea. If we can break a multiplication up into two parts, why can't we break a division up into two parts? So we would break it up, and we would say that this is the square root of 49 divided by the square root of 3. But what's the square root of 49? 7. 7 divided by the square root of 3. Now at this point, you've pretty much done, except that it's really poor form. It's bad form to have a square root on the bottom of a fraction. So how do we get rid of the square root on the bottom of the fraction? What we do is we multiply the top and the bottom of that fraction by square root of 3. By doing that, what you do is you end up getting rid of the square root on the bottom. Because what is the bottom? Square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is just equal to 3. So when you have a square root of a number times itself, that just kind of cancels out and gets rid of the square root.